Today we're diving into the exciting world of solving equations. Let's get started. So, what exactly is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement that asserts the equality of two expressions. Our goal is to find the value of the variable that make the equation true. Let's start with a simple example. 2x plus 3 equals 11. To solve this, we need to isolate the variable x. Here's how. Step 1. Subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals 11 minus 3. The answer is 2x equals 8. Step 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals 8 divided by 2. The answer is x equals 4. And there you have it. The solution to 2x plus 3 equals 11 is x equals 4. Easy, right? Now let's tackle a slightly more complex equation. Consider this one. 3x minus 5 equals 16. To solve this, follow these steps. Step 1. Add 5 to both sides of the equation. 3x minus 5 plus 5 equals 16 plus 5. Answer is 3x equals 21. Step 2. Divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 equals 21. Divided by 3, it's x equals 7. So, the solution to 3x minus 5 equals 16 is x equals 7. Now it's your turn. Try solving this equation on your own. 2x equals 22. Write your answer in the comment. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and remember, math is everywhere.